Hi there. My name's Christopher Watkin, and I'd like to invite you to consider attending the new college lectures that are going to be held in Sydney on the 10th, 11th, and 12th of October this year. The overall title for the lectures is A Christian Critical Theory? Question mark. And over 3 nights, we're going to be looking at three key biblical doctrines that build, at least I'm going to try and argue that they build, a compelling and robust biblical way of understanding society and culture today. On the first evening, we're going to look at the theme of origins, and we're going to compare a biblical view of where people come from with some contemporary views that are quite dominant in society at the moment. And the thinking there really is that understanding where we come from is fundamental to understanding society and culture as a whole. It's very difficult to have a coherent understanding of society without some sense of where human beings come from, what our origins are. And then on the second night, we're going to look at the theme of identity, how we build an identity, how we understand who we are, what influences the construction of identity. And again, we're going to look at that from a biblical point of view. And we're also going to choose some dominant frameworks for constructing identity in late modern culture and reflect on the differences between those and the Bible's understanding of identity formation. And then on the last evening, we're going to look at the question of destiny. Where are we going? What is this thing that we call society and culture all about? What's the point of it? And in the same way that it's really hard to have a coherent theory of society or culture without some sense of human origins, I'm going to try and argue that it's also really hard without some sense of where human beings are headed. And so we're going to compare again a biblical view of human destiny with dominant secular and contemporary cultural views around us in society at the moment. And my hope is that over the 3 nights, we're going to show that it is possible to draw out of the key doctrines of the Bible a compelling and robust critical theory of society and culture. And I hope to see you there.